she want tea. I cannot speak. We keep it in street. We keep it in street.
Hey vlog, so we're going to PCB for spring break, and we were supposed to be meeting them at this Buc-ee's, but y'all, I don't think they at this Buc-ee's.
Where are, no, I saw them pull up.
This is so much going on, y'all. I don't even know what they came here for, but
Everybody do that. Everybody stop at Buc-ee's, dummy. Where are you at?
first of all, bitch, I travel every other weekend, bitch. I don't stop at no Buc-ee's. Bitch, Buc-ee's don't excite me. I'm acting crazy, Bryce. All right, Bryce said I'm acting crazy.
But chill.
Oh, all right, guys. See you. I don't know. Maybe we'll give y'all a car concert or something. Well, I'm finna show y'all how like packed it is. Like,
Is it recording? Oh. Hey, let me take a picture of my camera. I need one. This quality is good. We at Buc-ee's. It's currently 11:37. We left at like 10:30. Let's see. It was 5 hours to get there. Let's see how much we got.
Oh, well, we gotta wait.
Yeah.
I want one.
It's taking me a minute. Well, let me see.
Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 Instagram. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin.
hey vlog, so we have made it to Panama City Beach, and right now I just got done doing me like some comb, concealer, the little light stuff, whatever you call that you put under your eye, and a little blush. And I think I definitely ate. And yeah, I don't know what we finna do. The hoes been getting ready for about 30 minutes now. 2 hours. Say hey, Bryce.
Hey, Mom.
Oh God, I done pulled out half of my hair. Hey, you got it, yeah? Yeah, come on there. Y'all got good accessories over here. Hey, Jordan. Sexy. You want it? Thank you. I can't wait to shake it. Yeah. Haley, what you say? Haley said something, Bailey?
No, to you, no.
I love you. You lying? She lying?
No.
I said, what the fuck is wrong with you when you walk that way?
What's the TikTok thing?
Shake it down. Faithy. Is it you?
I don't think I did it right.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me stop. Are we clear? There we go.
We go tour Birch Pond, Angels. We go bathing suit, body cover.
Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you went sing.
Vlog, so we are back at the hotel, and yeah, they went to Pier Park, but they closed at 9, and it's 30 minutes away, and it's currently 8. What is it? It's 8:42. So I don't know what I'm about to do, but we said we was gonna try to find us somewhere to go. So hopefully we do something and see you in a little bit. I'm back and we getting out the house. It is what we getting out. It's 9:47. I feel like I need to do a little touch up. Let's see. But I don't know what we finna do, y'all. But it's PCB and it's only 9:48, so it's something to do. Going on.
Wait, what is she talking about? It's show. I could be on the beach, but
Baby. Yeah.
Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah, that ain't scream.
I don't know where we going. Everybody outside, but we don't know where we going.
Hey y'all, we're going. Who she said?
What she say?
Oh wait, is she harassing us?
She said, fuck that, listen at them.
She just said something again?
You just said that, bro?
Oh, I was gonna say I'm finna go do a harassment. Like, excuse me.
I heard that.
I'm worried. I'm scared. Like I just looked back. And she said, "Fuck you looking at? What you mean? What the fuck I'm looking at? What's up, bitch?" I love my mom on us. Oh, you grown as fuck.
Yeah, that ain't scream. Yeah, hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting down pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce.
Hey vlog, so it is day 2 and I'm finna get dressed. I'm wearing a white tee. I got this little small cover up, this little bottom, and it's sticky. So I'm about to put this on and I'll be back. Hey vlog, so we walked and we was trying to go to the beach, but they didn't close the beach again. And like, I hope y'all can hear me because like it's so windy. What you do best?
Bit my tongue.
But we finna, oh, they're right there. Yeah! Move right! Yes! Wait, we might not be in the door. We in the door? We in the door, yeah. Alright, y'all. Y'all, we finally made it to the fucking beach.
Finally touching some sand. Hold on.
We gotta go.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't.
What's up, y'all? So we're at their park. My camera died, so I'm on Bailey's camera. And vlog, you know, we took a couple of shots, and I'm feeling good. Yeah, I'm so glad I got me some good bundles so my hair can give, cause that shit giving still. Yeah. Oh, said she doesn't. Oh, give us a caption, Haley, for Chloe.
Hey y'all, Black, the biggest.
Yeah. Oh, she said black the biggest, slack the bit. All right.
I don't have no service.
Ain't had no service all trip, y'all. That shit gonna blow me. But y'all, I see y'all when we got some goddamn shake. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
I hope it can last at least a
Yeah.
hour.
Hey y'all.
It's your boy Noah, and I'm by myself and Phil. Follow me at KCT.
Feet check, okay, ooh.
Follow me at KCT Dad.
Okay, y'all. So we is at the beach, and yeah, it's a little hot out here.
Yeah, it's hitting. I don't know. But we finally made it to the little circle. We ain't really hearing no music, but we here. We happy to be here.
Very glad. Cool little vibe. Y'all, they over there doing the video. They just got done.
Hey y'all, it's a bad bitch motherfucking birthday. Make sure y'all wish me
Yeah.
Black, the biggest,
Yeah. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, I'll be back in a little bit.
We don't walk around. We're drunk.
Like real niggas feels. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo.
Okay, y'all. What you gotta say? Chloe. Ooh. Let me just start this. Okay, y'all. So we're at Pineapple Willie's and we're about to eat after from the beach. Yeah, we slacking. Y'all, me and baby slacking real bad. But we was at the beach, but ain't nothing really, going on. I got in the water. That was good. That what you finna get? I was looking at that. When you were just looking at that, I was looking at that. Oh shit. Alright, y'all. We just got done with Pineapple Willie's and now we're finna go back to the room. Where's my bestie? Oh, she's right here. Me and Chloe ate too much, I think. Then we probably be eating hibachi at 8. Like, that gonna be biggie for a night. Well, me and Chloe claim we wearing some chill, quote unquote chill shit, but we go see how Chloe come out the room popping out.
I might wear the outfit I have with kids, but that's not gonna be denim and white. Haley, I'm sorry.
Whoa, no, that denim outfit, I don't got no jacket. I only got that black jacket. They were like, damn, baby.
Haley.
The tire still denim white face. What?
Yeah, we could be superstars.
Super Grwm.
But I'm pretty sure our time is up.
Now you
So we plan on the spinning top. Don't know, maybe my trial. The thing will happen.
say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer.
Okay, y'all, so I had put this on with these, with these, with this skirt, but I think maybe I just ate too much, so I'm not feeling it. What? That skirt on? Oh, this skirt with that shirt? Yeah. I could. Oh, it was actually really nice, but I'm about to put this skirt on. Let me stop. I'm finna put this skirt on. I got this t-shirt and then I'm finna show y'all, so hold up.
Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet off. Third on pizza. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gonna cost a nigga out rockin' with me?
Say hey, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell somebody to go bring me some hot soup. Cause I be liking it.
I'ma be your killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you.
Yeah, toot. Wait, alright, I'm gonna check out right now.
Rockin' with I got you lit in the city. I've been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I've been spending on business and spending until I'm dizzy. I do all this, you never step of help with none of you killing. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'm whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could have been superstars.
Diddy party. Hey y'all, so we at the Diddy house. Diddy vibe in that bit. Let me see what's going on. Come on, y'all. See that shit, dog.
Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you.
Like, clean my camera.
I switch like a pussy little bit.
Diddy party. We
We at 11 o'clock. Oh, we at 11:45 dinner party. The freaky dick things haven't started going on yet, so we lit.
5 minutes.
Look, Becky, look, when it hit 1, 2, you gotta leave. Or they gonna think you going in the room.
They BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa.
Oh, this isn't even mine. What stuff that is?
Hey y'all! Period.
Okay,
Back
y'all.
vlog. Yeah, we in PCB.
What time
On
is
some
it?
chill shit, y'all.
It's 1:08. We living right now.
It is one.
Did
Hey y'all, vlog. So we're at the beach and I'm about to end the vlog. Y'all really hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Now my voice is gone. This week been real chill. I hope I get this video as soon as possible. And I hope you guys know. You guys go comment, like, and subscribe. And see y'all next time.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea.